Class Connect – Shared Sessions. For this demonstration we are going to be using the weather sensor with GPS. Shared session. Teacher or head of group. First we will connect our weather sensor via the Sensor Data button. We now pair the sensor in the usual manner. For this example, instead of choosing a template we will choose one of the quick start experiments. Weather dashboard. Remember when using the weather dashboard to change measurement to metric. Now we will set our shared session settings. Access the main menu. Select Shared Session. Here you have two options. Manually connect to an open session, which is for the students. Or start a shared session, which is for the teacher or group leader. Choose the Start a Shared Session option. Type in your name. Add the session name. It is important to remember that the session name is case sensitive. If starting from scratch you can choose a SPARKlab to share. Guide Session gives the option of the entire class having total control of the session, or just the teacher. Leave as yes if you are the teacher. If your IT department has set up the network configuration correctly you don't need to change this setting. If not, contact them. Press OK. The session is now live. Students can now begin to connect their devices to the teacher's or head of group's device. Shared session. Students or remainder of the group. The student must now connect to the session via the hamburger menu followed by the shared session option. Choose the Manual Connect option. Type in your name. Remember the session name is case sensitive. Now press OK. Once connection is established, the teacher or group leader must approve the connection. Now, let us look at the two screens together. As you can observe, the two screens are fully in sync. Everything that the teacher, or group leader, does on their device is sent, instantaneously, to the other devices in the class or group. No longer can students claim they didn't get the data from another person in the group or class. This function would be excellent for tests or exams with the entire class of students all analyzing the same fresh data at the same time. This shared session is perfect when you don't have enough sensors for a class set. To end the shared session, and disconnect the class or other group members, click on the Disconnect button. The class, or group will retain the collected data on their device. Once disconnected, the student can now work with the data independently. Don't forget to subscribe to our social media platforms for the latest news, tutorials, products and promotions.